sunbeam. I got one foot in the grave. I got one foot in a sunbeam.
Welcome back to Chris from Hagon Factory. So this week we went over to Newstead to have a look at the All British Rally. What a fantastic event. It's only getting bigger and bigger. We had a good look around over there. Then we went up to Malden for lunch. Got a pie at the Malden Bakery, like everyone does up there. Good look around. They blocked the main street off. 3 rows of bikes all the way up the main street. Thousands of people. If you haven't been to this event, it's worth going to. It's a 2-day event, but a couple of people I know have actually stayed there for 4 days. So they're having a really good time. But let's have a look at the video.
Empty bottles and wasted time. I got nothing to show for all my wasted time, except the trouble, worried mind.
I went down to that river, washed my sins for free. The devil's on the other bank, staring back at me. I'm a dead man walking, dead man Another nail in my coffin, another nail for me. I gotta look pretty when I go down. Another nail in my coffin. Another nail in my coffin. Can't you spare one more? I gotta look pretty when I'm knocking down heaven's door. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man. Light my cigarette. You ever seen a dead man talking? No, you haven't seen one yet. I'm a dead man walking.
they stole a dream. Images of magazines. Take your chance while you're still young. Glory flickers like a candle in the desert sun. Wasted time on an overpass, watching how nothing lasts. The streets are filled with a hollow glow. The bellies are shallow.
Like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back, and hopefully next week we'll have a bonus video, so keep watching.